Hey guys, Sarah here, and Bronx and Josie are here as well. Harley's somewhere sleeping like a good girl. The other two are crazy, per usual. Anyways, today we're going to be doing the Lola Beauty Box unboxing. First, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $21 a month and you get free shipping. You get 4 to 5 full-sized beauty products valued at $70 or more. And then you can earn points similar to Ipsy for reviewing products in your box, and then you can redeem them for free products or even a free box. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so once you get it opened, it looks just like this on the inside. And this month's theme is Beauty is Universal. And then on the back it has all the products that we're receiving in this box and their values. So let's just open this up. I do kind of know everything I'm getting in here. I saw the spoiler on their Instagram, I believe. So I know everything I'm getting as far as the product. I don't know colors or anything like that. So let's just open it up. The first one is from Cailyn. It is a mineral eye powder. Is that what it says? Just mineral eye polish, sorry. And this is in the shade Bronze. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is cruelty free. I believe this entire box is cruelty free, so that is exciting. I kind of like that about Lola. This is only my second box I've gotten with them. Third box maybe, second or third. And everything's been cruelty free, so that's exciting. Oh. Open from the bottom. So this is what it looks like. It's very gold and shiny. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch this. I think I want to put this. Actually, I'm gonna swatch it. I was thinking about putting it away for a giveaway, but I'm kind of intrigued by it. I might want to use it for myself. So it's got like a sponge tip on it, so it's a little interesting. It's just like a shimmer, like topper is what I want to say, but it is powder, so I don't know, it's interesting, but I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. So there it is on my hand. It's not picking up very well on camera, but it is definitely very shiny, so I will definitely play around with this some more. It's very, I don't know, it's kind of different, so I'm intrigued by it, so I will use this a little more and see how I like it. This is valued at $15, so it's cool. Alright, next item we have is from, let's see, it is Glow by Glory. There we go. It is every glowing girl. I can't talk. It's one of those days. We're having one of those days where I cannot speak. A semi-matte liquid lipstick. So, and let's see. It has the cruelty-free logo. I'm trying to see if I have a color on here, but I am not seeing a color name. So we'll just open it up and see what color we get. Sorry, my dog is really thirsty. Ooh, pretty. I love the packaging on this. How pretty is that? There we go. Okay. So this is just a, looks like a liquid lipstick. In a like mauve nude color. Ooh, very, very pretty. There's the color on my hand. It does look like it will dry down matte. Is that what it said? It does say it's a semi-matte, so that's really cool. I can't wait to, I don't have a mirror, but using my viewfinder. I don't know if that's a great idea. Smells like vanilla or cupcake kind of thing. It's very pretty. I like that, so that's exciting. I will definitely use this. The color is right up my alley. What's wrong, Bronx? You want to say hi to everyone? You just want to be crying in the background. Let's see. This is valued at $18. Yay. Okay. Let's see what we have next. So it looks like this is from Hikari? Hikari? And it is a mascara in the color Jet. Let's see. See what kind of mascara it says it is. It creates fuller standout lashes. The easy to use handle and our lengthening brush fan out your lashes to create a bold statement. Our mascara comes in 2 different colors for those that prefer more than one option. Curious to see what the other color would be. Probably brown. So I'll show you what the wand looks like. It's pretty basic. There we go. But I will try this out. This is valued at $15, so there's that. Let's see what else we have. This one I was excited about. So this is, I got 3 sheet masks from the MaskerAide. I really like the name of that company. Let's see. I have one in Detox Diva. So that's for cleansing, exfoliating, and detoxifying. And then I have the All-Nighter, Awaken, Replenish, and Refresh. And then I have Beauty Restore, Restore, Regenerate, and Repair. So that's pretty exciting. I like a good sheet mask, and these are cruelty-free, so I'm excited to give these a try. Let's see what they're valued at. These are valued at $15, so $5 a piece. Yeah, I would definitely use these. It says they're also eco-friendly and natural, no parabens, so can't be mad about a face mask, sheet mask. All right, got one more item in here. And this is from Beauty Creations. Bronx is excited. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. I don't know what he wants. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So it's got a mirror up top. And then here's what it looks like. Very pretty, like rosy, matte sort of a palette. So that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of these for you. There's 6, 12, 18 shadows in here, so that's a lot. We got some shimmers, got some mattes. My dog is crazy today. What's wrong? He just wants attention, I think. All right. So they're pretty pigmented, honestly. Wow. I'm excited to try that out. They are a little dusty, a little bit of fallout, but wow. The color is totally there, so that's exciting. My hands are now shiny. All right, let's see. This retails for $18. So yeah, that's exciting. It reminds me a little bit of the Modern Renaissance palette, just a smidge. I'm sure the quality's a little different just based on the pricing of those palettes, but that's still exciting. Let's see. I was gonna add up the value of this box real quick. 1 second while I math on my phone. All right, so the value of this box is $81, which is pretty awesome when you only pay $21. I got a palette, which I'm excited about. And I like that the liquid lip kind of goes with the palette. Like they're pretty complementary of each other, so that's really cool. I have this, which is different, something I've never received anything like this, so that's pretty cool. And 3 face masks, that's awesome. And then the mascara. So, I mean, I'm excited about this, honestly. This is probably my second favorite box. Right up there with BoxyCharm, honestly. Like, the products I get in here are pretty good, and the value is really awesome. So, definitely one of my favorite, I don't want to say expensive, but more than $10 boxes. So, pretty awesome. So, yeah. That's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, you want to hear my dog whining in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. It means so much to me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.